And finally, basic building block number 8. Alright? Okay? Basic building block number 8 is duplicate. Now the mistake a lot of people make in our industry is they learn a lot of things and they keep it here. And they lock and they swallow the key. They don't share, they don't duplicate. Do you understand? The key aspect of network marketing. You want to be rich in our marketing? Duplicate ASAP. As soon as possible. Take some people, put them under your wing, make them your clones. You know the best compliments I get is when people tell me, oh, Dave went on stage, spoke like you lah. Oh, all like you lah. That means duplication worked. Now duplication is very simple. You basically identify your core leadership. Alright? Your core leadership can be 4 people, 8 people, 12 people. If you say, my core leadership is 50, you're lying. Because the we is on top of 2 million people. Our core leadership 51. And only 7 partners. So if you got 50 core leaders, you're lying. You understand? So you may have 4 core leaders, 8 core leaders. So the duplication process goes level by level. You take these 4 and make them you. They take their 4s and make them them. And it follows through. What maintains duplication? Your systems. What is your systems? Your monthly presentation or weekly presentation. Your basic training program. Your business over coffee program. Do you understand? Your leadership camps. Do you understand? Alright, your special trainings. Your product demos. Your home meetings, your CDs, your starter kits, your info packs. Are you guys with me now? Yeah. All that. Make sure duplication happens effectively. But you still duplicate personally. So the 8 basic building blocks which I just shared with you was created and built and recorded so that it could be easily duplicated. And if you understand whatever you just witnessed, even at home, alright, you can do this tomorrow. Basic building block number 1, the dream. Guys, don't be afraid of it. Embrace it. Dream big. The facts don't count. Do you understand? Go back and identify what you really want out of this. What do you really want to achieve in life? What do you want to get? Where do you want to be as a person? Put it on paper, cut pictures, paste everywhere, draw it on your mirror, so what? Have a dream. Have a dream. Number 2, commitment. This is a business, not a hobby. This business requires commitment. You decide on the commitment, uplines sit down with downlines, decide on their commitment. Push them slow and easy. Ultimately, you want them to be 7 days, 24 hours. And when they're financially free, they can hold their children's hand and have family day every day. But that is a gradual process. Commitment, you must get it out of your people before you can push them. You push without commitment, you lose them. Alright? Do you understand? There's commitment to the business and commitment to the system. Commitment to the system is trainings, events, VCon. Alright? Because that commitment raises the person up, allows the person to grow. Okay? Number 3, the list. The list. You cannot say the list, you must say the list. The list. Without the list, find a high building and jump off. Because the chances of success without a written list is not high. Write down 150 names minimum now, today, after this video. Do you understand? Yes. Alright? Number 4. Invitation and art of prospecting. Invitation, keep it short and simple. Maintain your posture. Don't give too much information. Do you understand? All right? Yes. Very straight and forward. Okay? Hi, can we meet for coffee? I got a business project to put together. I'm looking for a few key partners. I can't promise you anything, but if you like what you see, let's meet. Your brother, hey, shut up and come over. Do you understand? Yes. Simple as that. Okay? Art of prospecting. The minute you press accept, agree, accept, proceed, accept, you have a radar. That means now you get prospects. Put them on your list. Your prospect list should grow by 10% every month. Rule number 2. 150 names, rule number 1. Okay? After that, you go into basic building block number 5. Showing the plan. Keep it short and simple. Alright? Rubber band theory. Keep within the parameters of company, product, compensation plan, projections. Make it effective. Be passionate when you show a plan, but don't go crazy. Let the person feel your conviction. Let them derive confidence in the company through you, because you are the only person they see. Are you guys with me? Must be consistent. 15 presentations a month, rule number 3. That's your secret. First 5 plans, upline do. Second 5 plans, share. Last 5 plans, alright, or third 5 plans, you do, upline watch. Edification, crucial. Always edify. Are you guys with me? Yes. Choose the right environment. Attend every public presentation. Attend every public event with your people. Power of association will rock and roll your organization. Okay? Alright? Home meetings, highly effective, highly easily manageable. Alright? So you're opening up new markets, home meetings are the best. Basic building block number 6. Follow through. Show the plan, follow through. 24, 48 hours. Handle the objections with posture. Alright? Feel, felt, found. Okay? Don't allow them to insult you. Are you guys with me now? Yes. Okay? Basic building block number 7. My favorite, important. Because I consult with my upline, Mr. Vijay, every day, every 4-5 hours, in everything I do in life. Alright? Because I need his wisdom, I need his experience. Without him, I wouldn't be where I am today. Without your upline, you wouldn't be in the business. Right? So identify your working upline, constantly sit down, strategize, consult, edify. Counsel. You know, you want to leave and go to another country to build, counsel. Plan with them. You got problems, pick up the phone, call them. You're making a major decision in your life, call them, counsel. Are you guys with me? Crucial. Basic building block number 8. Duplication is the key of success in network marketing. The faster you duplicate, the more effective you duplicate, the sooner you retire. Do you realize that? The sooner you retire is when the faster you duplicate. How do you duplicate? Create clones. Teach them everything you know and more. In network marketing, the traditional rule doesn't apply. Traditional world, in business world, you will give your student knowledge and keep some for yourself. You're afraid she's going to run and outrun you, correct? In our business, give everything and extra. Empty your cup on her, because you want her to be better than you. This is the only, you know why I love this business? Because this is the only business you aspire to push your people to be better than you. Not in any business in the world. Do you understand? So duplication is the key in our business. Alright? The system helps you duplicate personally. Are you guys with me? Yes. Alright? Now this module of 8 basic building block is a module endorsed by the V. Alright? We have been using it in our organization for the past 7 years. It is the most widely used training module in the world today for QuestNet. It is not my original idea. I learned from people much greater than me and put it together. That's the beauty of networking. Don't try to be original. Just copy. That's why they call it the copycat business. Alright? So I learned from some of the greatest networkers in the world. The VJs, the Japas, the Kunas, the Ranjits, the TGs, the Donnas. My V partners in the V partnership. And together we want to standardize our training modules. And the 8 basic building blocks rebuilt will be a standard module. And you can still get the old one. Alright? I look better here, but there I look a bit slimmer. But either way I look good in both. Okay, finally in closing, guys, you have to make a decision. The 8 basic building block is there. You got to make a decision that you want to do it. You got to create an attitude that you want to do it. You got to put passion into it. You got to put passion into every single day of your networking career. You got to give 100% every day. 100% every day. And you will achieve this thing called financial freedom. And the dreams you wrote down will be real. I'm living proof. I still remember reading a quote from a lady called Helen Keller, who was blind, deaf, and couldn't speak. And I lived my life by that quote. She wrote that life can either be a daring adventure or nothing at all. Life can either be a daring adventure or nothing at all. You have made a decision to join our family, to join the V. Alright? And we are here to make sure that we help you achieve what you want to achieve. The 8 basic building blocks is just the beginning of a series of trainings which we are going to distribute worldwide. Alright? So I wish you all the best. This is going to be an unbelievable training module for you to use. Okay? I will send your regards to Shakira. Alright, so I love you guys. God bless. Okay, take care.